Think of variables as containers that hold information. In Python, you can store different types of data in variables, such as numbers, text, or even more complex objects. Creating variables. Unlike some programming languages, Python doesn't require you to declare the type of variable upfront. You simply assign a value to a name, and Python figures out the type automatically. Here's how you create a variable. Message equals hello world. Number equals 42. Pi equals 3. 14,159. In these examples, message holds the text string hello world. Number holds the integer value 42. Pi holds the floating point value 3. 14,159. Naming variables. Choose meaningful names for your variables. This makes your code easier to read and understand. Here are some rules for naming variables in Python. Start with a letter or underscore. My variable counter. Use only letters.